Welcome to DK's Follies, where everything is fun, technical, entertainment, enjoyment, learning, educational, and much more. Well, today I am going to show you what I did to the old aquarium I asked suggestions for in a previous video. It was a very old aquarium, and I had a mishap with it more than 10 years ago. So it was just sitting there doing nothing, sitting dry and dirty and everything. So what I did was I just first cleaned it as much as I could, and there are some stains still on the glass which I was unable to remove, so I left them there so that I should not put scratches on the glass. Then I took this aquarium lid and I first cleaned it, treated it with some medicine to remove the worms in the wood, and then I had it painted both from inside and outside. I installed some lights in it, and then came the part of decorating the interior. So obviously I was not going to put fish in a very old aquarium because the silicone sealant was not reliable. This aquarium is very old, I think 30 plus years old as per my knowledge, maybe even older. So what I did was I just put some fish in it, some ducks in it, some other water animals that I could find, like this ducks, some fish, that is a horse fish, seahorse. In the back there is another fish, then some turtles, some other aquatic creatures like that green blob, like maybe an octopus, maybe something else, I don't know, a frog, some jelly creatures, a little water bug, another aquatic creature, I don't know what is the name of that creature, that little uh, crayfish type thing, some ducks, some aquatic monsters, a shape, a little baby, what it is called, otter, baby otter, some other fish, and other things for decoration, like that those monsters. That, as you can see, there is an alien base, underwater alien base with aliens guarding it, Ben 10 and his aliens, another underwater alien base with monsters, and obviously if it is an aquarium it must be cycled, so I have a motorcycle in it, so it is a fully cycled bulky motorcycle aquarium. And as you can see, I have also put some beautiful plants in the back to add to the beauty, and so I made it into a beautiful showpiece which is not running on fish, or with it is not running with fish, but it has the beauty that one can have. Thank you very much for watching DK's Follies. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.